What is up, SV squad? Welcome back to a very special vlog. I firstly just want to dedicate this video to my uncle Mose Sila Tasolo, who passed away very suddenly. So it is the night before the funeral, and this is the current situation. Because he passed away in Samoa, even though he lives here in Canberra, he was there, and then the whole COVID thing, and just, I'm so done with this Rona stuff. This is my own opinion, so don't be giving me your novels in the comment section. But this is like the effects. This is the downside of having these restrictions, is not being able to be there for your family. It's like, I don't have my watch. It's like 12 something. And I just keep watching my dad's eulogy over and over again, because we had to record it because there's going to be a live stream, which we're very, very fortunate to have, though we can't travel. At least we have something, you know, and times like this, we should be very grateful for technology, where we're able to channel in it anyways from where we are. We'll all be gathering at my other uncle's house together to watch the stream together. So tired, guys. Literally had an hour and a half sleep. Back up again. These are our shirts, guys. Aussie's just doing his hair. Spends like half an hour on his hair. So obviously this is a streamed service. So we're only going to get snippets of it. This is just for our own memory. Like, I'm only getting bits and pieces so that we have something to look back on and remember my uncle. So we won't be getting like the full thing, just snippets here and there. Babe, why are you drinking with your first things first? Gotta get some coffee.
I woke up like 5 minutes ago.
Did you? How rude.
I know.
I was almost so weak. Almost.
Cover the brick.
Ourselves. Okay, guys, this is for you, one unks.
I love you, Uncle Mose, and we're gathering here today all for you, Uncle Mose. We love you from Australia, Canberra. Bye.
So we got a Zoom call with our family in NZ.
Dad, whakatainia tua mo oi. Whakatai mo mele nei umana e whaia mo ma ua maweli. E lea ngalo. Whakatai loa lofa. Whakatai lofa mau. Ia lea ngalo o ngalwenga le lei na whai. Awa te pole mai. Awa te pole mai tamaiti. E te talo le li. Ia umilo wola. Tau sia ta whanau. O a upu muli muli. O sa avia finga mo o la pele. E la utui me e o malepe. O la tatino masala sala e o motu to fa ina o la pele. Ia manuia tele la malanga.
Ono ingo ne weli o pai tari mer. O ulo kol. o le whanau whawhulina i kiki. Ia, e whamangalo mai fui. E rau tani se se. Au tira whamoni e moku e ruta maki. Pena rulutu. Ia alu ia oi. Malanga. O mapo tinga. E le ngalo. Ata mautala mali e mau pispese whale. Whawhtai lama tēn mo mea umo i whaina mai māua. Whawhtai loa lupa. Whawhtai mo upu. Whamai e te a.
Ia, o le mama whatanga ma le tama. O se tama si o na loto alofa. O luna loto ato o lana whanau. Ina ua maua le mata ma teine. So se taimi lava matitanga noa e ma le tama. E whai mai lava. Ma ai whale leile teine. Alu ina alu. Mapu yota. Manuia lo malanga.
O lo tama o se tangata e loto mawalalo. E le tautala so'o. E ata lava i tangata uma. E anga manu. Ma e whaalo alo. I ona uso. Ma ona tua whaafine matutua. E le fia foi i se pisa. I ui lava ina tatou vala i le tino. Ai o te langona lava le mawhanawhana o lo wanganga ia i mātou. Manuia lo malanga dad, mātou te alofa tele ia te oe. We love you so much.
Ile mako mafukanga. Makua imisi ia. Ia si o usole. E la ngonga e vai o le mafofu. E hako e manga ia i le mako mafuka. Honga uinga whaangaru a ka. Kele o kaimi i le mamafuka. O ke fasi. A ola i kiki. Solo mai ai nga sau. Ele au ngoa ma se kapa. O ka la ngonga ringe mai ka. Ua o whaalo mai ka. Ua o mana ia. O se la ngonga. O le waro ka fian waku sa. O kau mai ua mai. Ai whai na kāri mai o kuri ki ai. Le lalo nangi ngei mea pesa. Ele angi mori mau nge yaso ka mawhai. Ia si na fia le akua roko. Kari koku sa aungi na malanga ia e maruia. Hauia ra malanga Mose. Ka ki koe whailu hai. Ka ki koe whailu hai. O winga kau sa fia ere ngano o whoni na ia ki au. Mo ia ia le upu e mamoe mamangua e sa upana ia ki. Mea whaila kaha. O le moku sia whaafua se e mafukanga e rei se upu. Si au aka e re ngano. O le au ke ofu aku iro waka. Ka alo whae. Ka alo whae whamangalo au. Whamangalo ki o mea mai ka pauso. Ia mamui ko whaasa i fua. O whaapui e rei sa ano oi.
Ona taita ilea o au ilona maota o seva ainga uinga ese male maofa na paula vaolo umana ona o Yesu. O ia lea na mali umoa u.
This one's for you, Auntie Unks.
Before we release them, for those that are comfortable, If you just want to share a small memory, we just go around, whoever will want to say it. And then once we're done, you don't have to say if you don't want to, but if you like to, I will start. I will always remember Uncle Mose for his taking me to Burger King. He introduced me to Burger King. And he was just all about life. I will always remember him for his smile and his joyous spirit.
Always remember Uncle as someone that will always celebrate my achievements.
Amen.
He'd always make time to call me and say how proud he is that I made it this far.
Kay mi ho me ka ikane. Ai ke vidi ai sawe. Sawe ai se befa. Dal be foi. Oh yeah, ka pa ya Jesus se befa.
When I graduated from ANU, he was so proud of me, and he always said, "Oh, well done. You've taken our family. You've lifted us up to the next level." He always thought about our family, and he was so mimika every time we done something so great.
I remember when
Yes, you remember when?
never went to go to his house.
Yeah. And?
Would always be so hungry that he would take us to Mac's.
Buy you hungry and buy you McDonald's? Yeah, he was good at that. That's good, darling. Anyone else? But we remember you for your good that you have done in all of our lives. May you fly high. We love you, Uncle Mose.
Hey guys.
Take photos of Uncle Mose.
Oh my gosh, I am so, look at my eyes. I'm seriously so tired. We are on our way to watch Willie's game. I got V Girl.
Hi guys.
Toots. Tootsie. No, it's still
Oh, you
on.
look handsome.
And I'm like so tired.
We took photos.
1 hour sleep. I don't know what this is doing to my body. My adrenals.
How annoying
They are
is
burning
that?
out. And
alright,
also, we're gonna go get some coffee,
That's
some
rude.
caffeine.
What do you
You
mean
know what?
that's
Caffeine
rude?
doesn't really give you energy.
Are
It
you
literally
joking?
just turns off the receptors.
Look, why
The
would you post a
messengers
photo
that
of
tell
someone?
you that you're tired, it just turns
not
them
on
off.
Facebook, it's on
And I
my
need them to
story.
turn them off just
You
for this
posted it,
one
it's on
time.
there.
Because I'm so
Oh,
tired. I cannot wait to have the
Live?
longest nap of my
It
life.
was open. Oh, that's why
I'll see you over there. Oh my gosh. Guys, so we got a pick-me-up kind of snack. I'm pretty sure there's like 19 or something like that spoons of sugar in this. So my insulin is through the roof at the moment, but I don't care. I'm so tired. Hey squatty squad. Guys, we've just been chilling here. We came to the sunny side because it's so cold over there. So cold over there.
Oh, so
Hey, Chicha. Yeah. How'd you feel about Willie's game?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, he had a good run, didn't he?
so good in this.
Did you watch that?
Yeah.
What did you?
Hey,
Thì cái mong mong mấy cục cá lăng ngô.
Oh, what did he do?
Mà để áo đang pha mà con nhiều vậy. Yeah, ready.
Oh, I missed it. Morning, guys. Sorry we didn't pick up the camera much again yesterday afternoon because when we came back, we were like legit buggered. I was so overly tired that I was not tired anymore. Like, it's so hard to explain. I was like so tired, but I just could not go to sleep. Hey, Georgie.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Jets day. So we need to.
Eat your scrambled eggs. These are oh, sorry, what did you say? We need a what?
Need to go to church.
Yeah. These are, what's it called? Oh my gosh, it's right on the tip of my tongue. They're called not permission. They're called like...
Well, I know. They go. Once upon a time, there was a small tree called tomato. And when the tomato grow up and the birds fly and eat the tomato. And then go to the other side, drop it down there on the other tree, and then mix up. And it's called borado.
Okay, first of all, a potato is completely different, and that is not the birthing of a potato.
Nah, borado.
They're called persimmons or something. Hold on, let me Google it real quick. Because this has pissed me off, and I will not be able to function all day without knowing what this is called. And you guys are probably screaming at the screen right now, telling me what they are. Persimmon. I got it. So we're gonna wait because we've never ever tasted these before. We're gonna wait till it's in its best form so that we can give you guys a true review of what we think.